on the hair is shrinkage. If you want thicker, much healthier hair, you want to minimize ends. It is time to plug the sticker. What is that? I'm going to allow the hair to dry a little bit. I don't want to use heat on my hair. So I'll see you guys very soon. Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brenda Okolocha. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload, and also share this video to your loved ones if you find it very helpful. So today's video is all about the ultimate 5 steps I take in taking care of my hair. So basically my hair care routine, starting with a pre-poof, which is a step 1. I use fresh aloe vera and hair growth oil. You can check the previous video I uploaded to see how I make my simple hair growth oil. So right now I've already washed the aloe vera, and in order to remove the latex that comes with the aloe vera, you have to soak your aloe vera in a bowl of water, which is what I did as I was washing the aloe vera. So I soaked it for about 10 minutes. Then the next step is to blend the aloe vera. When blending your aloe vera, make sure to be pulsing it. If not, it's going to blend it to be too liquidy and it will lose that slimy consistency, which is what we want. So when I'm done, I'm going to use this with one cap to strain out the aloe vera. I don't want aloe vera chunks to be stuck in my hair while using it. So that is it for the aloe vera. Then I'll put it into this comb bottle. Guys, I was looking for this comb bottle in the market, and the moment I saw it, I quickly grabbed it. And I will advise you should get yours in case you don't have it, because it will literally make applying any products, any liquidy products, very easy. It has a comb. I don't know how to explain it, but it has that comb mouth, and it will make everything you're applying to come out very well on your scalp, including oils. So you can see the consistency we are looking for, which is that slimy consistency from the aloe vera, is there. So I will apply it all over my scalp, scrub very well to lift up dirt. And aloe vera also help in promoting hair growth, in case you do not know. So I will advise that you make use of aloe vera very well. It helps to condition your hair, it helps to keep your hair healthy, promotes shine, helps with split ends. Aloe vera is also a humectant. Okay, so when you're done applying the aloe vera, the next step is to use the oil, the hair growth oil. If you don't have hair growth oil, or if you don't have all the ingredients to make your hair growth oil, since we are doing pre-poo here, just get your olive oil and put it into a bowl of warm water, then apply on your hair. Okay, it can serve as a hot oil treatment. When you're done, massage, twist, and move to the next section. Which reminds me, earlier I forgot to mention this. Please walk in sections. Walking in sections also makes washing your hair or handling your hair much easier than handling your hair all at once. And it will also help in when you want to separate your hair, and also when you want to detangle it. Basically helps with controlling hair breakage. The reason why I had to cover this part of my hair is because the aloe vera and the hair growth oil was already dripping from my scalp. So the best thing was for me to find a way to hold it together while I'm applying on the other parts of my hair where I've not applied on yet. I hope my English makes sense. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. It was remaining small aloe vera gel, so I made sure to apply it on my scalp. The benefits that comes with aloe vera gel is like 100%. So make use of aloe vera gel and hair growth oil and thank me later. Okay, so when we are done, massage the scalp very well. Like I always say, massaging helps to activate the blood circulation all over your scalp, which promotes hair growth. So we're going to cover this up for 10 to 20 minutes, and after that the next thing is to use the shampoo. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, share to your loved ones or anyone you feel like may need this video, okay, even to your enemies. So let's get back to the video. I prefer to use warm water whenever I'm rinsing out treatments or whenever I'm washing my hair, which is what you all are seeing right now, and I'll prefer you do the same. Using warm water helps to open up your hair cuticle, especially if you have low porosity kind of hair. Our hair cuticles are always closed, so you need heat in a safer way to open it up. So when I'm done rinsing off the treatment, which is aloe vera and oil, then I will start using the shampoo. This shampoo lathers very well. And another thing is that I don't apply shampoo directly on my hair. I apply it on the scalp. Okay, so there's this mistake that a lot of us make, who apply shampoo all over our hair. In order for your hair not to get too dry when you are done washing it, try not to apply shampoo on your head directly. It's better to apply it on your scalp, which is where dirt lies more, and then as you are scrubbing your scalp and rinsing it off, the shampoo will glance through the hair. So that's one of the things I learned over the years when it comes to washing my hair and using shampoo. Then you can also use your thumb, yeah, to scrub your scalp. Do not use your nail. I don't know how to explain this in order for you to understand. Don't use your fingernails. You end up injuring your scalp, which will irritate you so bad. Yeah, so you can get the scalp massage brush. This is what it looks like. So if you cannot scrub very well, or if you know that your fingers will injure your scalp while scrubbing, it's better to get this brush. I have two of them in order to be on the safer side in case I misplace one. The other one is there to serve me well. So guys, this is what the wash day looks like, and I always work in section. As you can see, I can never handle my entire hair all at once. The hair is thick and long, and even though your hair is short, I will still advise that you should work in sections. It helps to minimize hair breakage. Guys, just give it a try. I just noticed that majority of people don't like to take their time when it comes to handling their hair, washing their hair. Whatever people want to do, you want to do it all at once, and that's one of the reasons why your hair keeps on breaking. I just washed my hair, right? But I'm serious, my hair still feels very soft. It doesn't even feel like the shampoo stripped off the oils and everything that I applied on it. And yes, my scalp is clean, the hair is clean. It also smells nice. I wish you guys can smell this hair from the screen, but it's not possible. Like, it's still soft. I'm not even exaggerating. It's still soft. See this shampoo, you need it in your life. You need it in your life. See how long the hair is. See? Shrinkage. Next on the line is the hairspray, then followed by the deep conditioning hair mask. Guys, if you have been skipping deep conditioning, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, but please don't ever skip deep conditioning in your life if you want to grow your hair. I mean, if you want thicker, much healthier hair, you want to minimize split ends. If there's one thing I like about the products I make is that I use them, I experiment with them, and I give you guys feedback on how they are working. Any products you all see me using on my hair is something that I've been using for years and I've seen results. Those of you that have been here for a very long time will notice that this hair have actually grown. It has become thicker, and so many of my friends will be like, Brenda, your hair have improved. Yes, that's because I really invested in Ayurvedic herbs. The reason why the color of the deep conditioning hair mask is pink is because it is hibiscus. Then I also use a lot of moringa. Moringa is good for thickening your hair. There's also fenugreek, there's fresh aloe vera, there's what they call it, there's neem powder, there's black seed powder. Guys, this hair mask is packed with lots and lots of nutrients, 100% ingredients that are being used to formulate this mask, and that is why it really helps a lot in curbing hair breakage, thickening your hair, giving you that healthy hair that you desire. Like I mentioned, you have to be consistent. Majority of you are not consistent. I'm not going to tell you that you use it once and see miracle results in 2 days. The way this hair mask will literally melt into your hair, you can see. Okay, I'm done with the tea spray and the hair mask. You guys, I'm out of hair mask. Okay, the next step is to cover it up with a shocker. First of all, then I'll use this steaming cap. This steaming cap comes with the complete set. Everything I'm using in this video, you're going to get it in the complete set. Then cover this. Okay, I have to use the switch so that this will stay. I'll turn it on and allow this to heat up for, let's say, 30 minutes. That's what is written here. Yeah, I'm drafting down the next content I'm going to be creating while waiting for this to steam up for 30 minutes. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe to my channel, okay? And I promise you, you will learn a lot. We get to grow our hair together. 30 minutes is over. We are back into the bedroom. It is time to rinse off this hair mask. There's no need of using shampoo. No need if you have been using shampoo to rinse off your hair mask, unless if the hair mask stinks so bad that you have to use shampoo. But I will just advise you, if there's no if it doesn't smell, then there's no need of using shampoo. I don't use shampoo to rinse off my hair mask. So what I do is to use cool water. Remember, we started with warm water. Now we're going to be ending the wash day routine with cool water in order to lock in the moisture so that it will not escape, and it also helps the deep conditioning hair mask to last longer in the hair. Okay, so that is it for the wash day. Let me give you a quick tip. If you're the type that have not yet mastered how to enjoy handling your hair, your natural hair, because to be honest, natural hair can be very frustrating. Okay, so I need you to find something you love watching, a TV show, or if you love listening to music, keep yourself engaged with that while handling your hair. Okay, let me show you guys the amount of hair that came out when I was detangling it. It's only this hair that came out from the entire wash day. I'm talking about pre-pooing, hair mask, everything. This is the only hair that came out. So these hair products not only promotes hair growth, not only thickens your hair, not only helps you to retain length. Guys, check this out. Like, how many products can help you achieve something like this, or even less? There's sometimes that is lesser than this. So this is your sign to give Curl Crown a chance. Okay, so right now the next step is to moisturize the hair using the LCO method. The LCO method is what works for low porosity kind of hair, which is my type of hair. So I'm going to be starting with the liquid, which is the tea spray, then followed by cream, which is the moisturizing leave-in conditioner. That is this one. the moisturizing leave-in conditioner, then which is the oil. The oil. Then I will finish up with the hair growth water. So these are the 4 products I will be using for the moisturizing process. I'm going to allow the hair to dry a little bit. I don't use hand dryer, I don't use heat on my hair. So I'll see you guys very soon. Let me quickly take my shower and report to you very soon.